And you'll see so many of these graphs and statistics. If you start looking up mindfulness practices in schools, the evidence is already there. It's all of the work, the research has been done. And it's so important for the kids. Of course it's important for the kids. But it's perhaps more important for you. We take care of our students, their parents, each other so willingly. It is such an environment of giving to work in a school. How much can we give? How much we have given? So they're carrying around some of that anxiety and fear, and then they plop down into your classroom. And what your students' breath might be like when they arrive in the classroom, think about it. You've all been out in the hallways. It's really loud. It's very chaotic. They might be like anxious about running into someone that they don't like, or that person gave them that look in the lunchroom. So they're carrying around some of that anxiety and fear, and then they plop down into your classroom. Having them come in, that took 60 seconds. Okay guys, this is part of our day now. We're gonna put on mindful bodies. For 60 seconds, all you're gonna do is count your breath. That's it. That's your mindfulness practice for the day. It doesn't eat up your whole lesson time. Heartfulness is the sister to mindfulness. Finding some heart centering and heart connection in your classroom will be easier some days than other days. And I encourage you to practice this first for yourself and for people that it's really, really easy to love. The metta practice, the mindful, the heartfulness practice, may you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be peaceful. If you bring that into your classroom, the easeful place to do that, so it doesn't feel like, what are we doing? Why are we doing this? Do it for whoever is absent that day. There will be a part of them that remembers, like, I'm absent today and my class is sending me heartfulness. Feels really great to be missed. Feels great to be missed. Different ways that we can help you guys bring this into your classrooms. Obviously, we do professional development workshops like this that address a ton of different tools. There is a potential to have yoga after school for you, where we teach you these tools in the middle of a yoga class. We do that at Lansing School. Then we also have weekly yoga classes for the students, not the faculty and staff, up at the William George Agency. So there's other organizations we're already doing this for. We can come in and do push-in classes in your classroom. So I will teach them the mindfulness once a week, twice a week, and you just have to carry it with you. And then we also have this amazing program where we certify people to be actual yoga instructors. They learn all of the foundations of mindfulness and yoga in schools and how to bring it into your school and into your classroom.